are going to see about the haptic feedback in SwiftUI. For that, I'll create a new Xcode project, single window app, single view app, and I'll name it as haptic feedback. And I have selected the user interface as SwiftUI. And then, so I'll remove this text. I'll make a button here. I'll name the button as I'll give some padding here, then a background color. I'll make this as red color, and then I'll give some accent color. Okay, yeah, that's it. So in the action, I'll create a generator, which is nothing but UI impact feedback generator. So this is the one which will give you the haptic feedback. So we can give the style here. You can give heavy, light, medium, so on. So I'll give medium, then generator dot prepare, and then generator dot impact occurred. That's it. Now you can run it. So now if you click on that button, you can see the haptic feedback. As we are running in simulator, we cannot see that, but it will perfectly work in the real device. Try it out. Thank you.